Hi guys, so I'm in the garage. Let me start here. I love you. Ooh, I'm really shiny. So it is hotter than hello in here. But this is our shop, so I'm just gonna pan. Oops, I was covering the sound, sorry. So this is our shop. Really quick. Ooh. Okay. So, he does not want to be in the video.
That's all right.
So he's been working out here. I had to go inside because it was way too hot out here for me. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. And do you want to talk?
No, I don't. I probably will.
Okay.
It's
so,
gonna be loud, so just volume warning.
How loud? Like really
loud? Yeah, I would muffle the speaker, the
like table saw loud.
Loud, high pitch. So just turn down your volumes, guys.
Okay, hold on. So that's what he's doing. I asked him to cut me a star. Go ahead.
So actually, I didn't even do all this.
Oh.
Oops. So I just gotta save it. Maybe. It's... Oh, there we go. Okay. Now come over here, go in to load it. Okay. There, I got it set in position. You want to show it over here now.
Okay.
So it starts off way over here in the corner. That's called our 0 position. You're going to hit run. And see it do a couple things. It's going to ask me to make sure that the correct bit is in there. At this point, I'm going to turn on the motor. So just volume warning again.
Oh my God. It's loud, guys. I don't see any comments. Can you bring it up on your phone? I'm going to kick your butt.
I would have the vacuum on it actually, but didn't want to add to the noise.
Oh my God. Guys, look, oh my God, can you see it? It was flying everywhere. But I was watching it on his thing. Oh, not done yet. Okay, hold on. There. Jeez. Yay! Thanks, babe.
Stand it. It has this rounded thing going on the bottom, so you gotta get the correct flat end mill. for it, but
Wait, baby. I'll be right there, okay?
there you go.
Good job, babe.
Easy.
Isn't that cool? So...
Okay.
That's what I'm here. There's no comments on my phone, but I'm watching comments on his phone. So that was it, guys. I just wanted to show you. He came inside saying that he was ready for me. So that's what we wanted to show you. Our new thing. Yay! So we have to go. Well, Linda said to go or have wood shipped here. So I'm gonna look up and see how. I just gotta look.
Have wood shipped here.
Lowe's is literally within walking distance. So we just go down the street and get stuff from Lowe's and then come right back. Yeah, it's Dora. It's a CNC machine. It's a cutter. It cuts all kinds of stuff. Engraves. You can engrave on acrylic. You can do stuff on metal.
Metal, brass. Well, brass and
Aluminum.
But,
so.
yeah, you're gonna see a lot of different things coming from us with this thing, guys. We'll just put them up on the page as we go. I am so gonna kill you. That's it. That's what you guys get. You get it right there. I'm not doing the wreath now.
Oh, you are.
Ain't gonna happen. Not gonna.
Okay, that's it, guys. I'm melting out here. He has the garage door closed, so whatever. And now I'm full of stuff. And let me see the star. Give me. Cute.
You can take it inside.
I need bigger ones.
Huh?
I need bigger ones.
Well, I
Go
just
to the
need
store.
larger pieces of wood.
Okay, bye, guys. We'll figure out something else to show you. See you later. Bye.